Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you were fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NFS Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Aided English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to conduct an English first paper class for class 6 students. Our today's topic, Unseen Passages 1, 2 and 3, and we will do today question number 3, A and B. So let's go. Let's see our today's class. Class 6 subject English first paper, topic Unseen Passages 1 to 3, question number 3AB, term half-yearly exam, lecture 16, SWB 12. My name is Ariful Islam, this is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, let's start our today's class. As you can see, Unseen Passages 1 to 3, question number 3A and B. So you will go to your book, Advanced Learners book, and we will do today one question 1, 3, A and B. So let's read the passage first. Read the passage first. Read the text and answer the following questions for question 1 in the Advanced book. William Wordsworth was a major English romantic poet. He is known as a poet of nature. He was born on 7 April 1770 in Cumberland in northern England. In 1787, he entered into St. John's College at the University of Cambridge, where he studied 4 years until he took his BA degree. His major works are Lyrical Ballad, The Excursion, The Prelude. He died on 23rd April 1850 and was buried at St. Oswald's Church in Smear. The honors he received are Honorary Doctor of Civil Law degree in 1838 from Durham University and the same honor from Oxford University the next year. After the death of Robert Southey, he became the poet laureate. So we will do today question number 1. So how we will do today question number 1? This is the answer I have written, but how we will solve. First, degree, institute, year. So BA degree, which institute he took the BA degree? University of Cambridge. So you will write like this, answer to the question number 3A. Number A, University of Cambridge. Honorary Doctorate of Civil Law. From which institute? This is also Civil Law, Durham University. Year, which year? 1838. So you will write like this, Durham University, 1838. And Honorary Doctor of Civil Law, Honorary Doctor of Civil Law. This degree he has earned from which institute? Number D, from Oxford University the next year. And the year is 1839, because this is 1838 he earned the Doctor of Civil Law degree, and the next year, that's why next year is 1839. That's why you have to write answer 1839. So in the exam you will write the answer like this. The answer will be like this one. Okay, let's read question number B. Read the text and answer the following questions. Sabina's family lives in a village. Her father's name is Muhammad Ali. He is a farmer and works hard in his fields. He digs the soil and puts fertilizer on it. He wants his fields and grows rice, jute and vegetables. He is a member of a farmers cooperative. Shahnar Begum is Sabina's mother. She is a housewife and she works in her house and yard. Every day she looks after her family. She cleans the house and cooks food for them. She looks after the chickens and also makes baskets. She belongs to her mother's cooperative. So this is true, false. Read the following statements. Write true T in your answer script if the statement is true. Write false if the statement is false. If false, give the correct answer. So you will write like this. Sabina's father lives in a village. This is false answer. So if the question is false, you have to write false and then correct answer. Sabina's father lives in a village. Number 2, Muhammad Ali waters the soil. This is true. You will write true. Number 3, he grows tea on his farm. This is false. Correct answer, he grows jute, rice, jute and vegetables on his farm. This is answer. Number 4, he uses fertilizer on his land. This is true. You will write true. Shahnar Begum is a good housewife. This is true. You will write true. If false, you have to write the false and give the correct answer. We will go to next page. Our next model question 2. The model question 2 from Advanced book. Toshibuddin was a famous Bengali poet. He is known as Polli Kavi because through his poems, he depicted the Bengali rural life. He was born in the village of Tambulkhana in Faridpur district on 1st January 1903. He received his early education at Faridpur Welfare School. He obtained BA degree in Bengali from the University of Calcutta in 1929 and MA in 1938. Jasimuddin collected more than 10,000 folk songs. He wrote many poems, dramas, novels, memoirs, music, etc. His major works are Rakhali, Nokshi Gatar Mad, Shuzun Badiar Ghat, Beder Me, Madhubala. Okay, the major honors and awards he received are President Award for Pride Performance, Pakistan, Delete, Pakistan, 1958, and Delete by Ravindra Bharat University, India, 1969. Ekushe Padok and Independence Day Award 1978. He died on 13 March 1976 in Dhaka and was buried near his ancestral home at Govindapur. This is another information transfer. How we will solve this? Let's go. Let's see. BA degree institute. From which institute? University of Calcutta. You will write University of Calcutta. From year, which year? 1929. You will write the year 1929. So next one, MA, no institute cross, no institute year. MA degree here 1931, answer is 1931. Delete here from which university? Ravindra Bharat University. Ravindra Bharat University answer. And year is 1969. 1969 is your answer. We will read the next passage. Bilal's family lives in the same village as Sabina. His father is also a farmer. His name is Abdul Rahim. His fields are near Muhammad Ali's. Abdul Rahim and Muhammad Ali are friends. Bilal's mother is a primary school teacher. Her name is Shahida Begum. Abdul Rahim and Shahida Begum have 4 children. The eldest is a daughter. Her name is Salam. She is 14 years old. Then comes Bilal. He is 12 years old. He has a younger sister and a younger brother. His younger sister's name is Rashida and she is 10 years old. His younger brother name is Kamal and he is 7 years old. True false, we'll do the true false like this. Sabina's father is a teacher. False. Correct answer, Sabina's father is a farmer. Number 2, B. Bilal and Sabina live in a different village. False. Bilal and Sabina live in the same village. You will write the answer like this. Number 3, there is a good relationship between Abdul Rahim and Muhammad Ali. This is true. Number 4, Bilal's mother is a housewife. False. Bilal's mother is a primary school teacher. Number 5, Bilal is older than Sabina. False. Salma is older than Bilal. We'll move to next passage. This passage is model question 3 in advanced book. Amartya Sen is an Indian economist and a Nobel laureate. He was born in Shantiniketan, India on 3rd November 1933. Amrita Sen's family was originally from Wari, Dhaka. Sen Begum's in high school education at St. Gregory School in Dhaka in 1941. He took his BA honors in economics from Presidency College, where he earned his first class first. He earned the first class BA honors in pure economics in 1955 from Trinity College, Cambridge. He took his PhD in economics at Trinity College, Cambridge in 1956. He taught in different famous universities of India, England, Economics University of an American, including University of Calcutta, Delhi School of Economics, London School or Economics University of Oxford, Harvard University. He received the Nobel Prize in Economics for his work in welfare economics, 1998. This is a passage. So let's solve number 8. BA honors in economics from which institute? Presidency College. Answer is Presidency College. Year, no year. BA honors in pure economics institute, Trinity College, Cambridge. And year, which year? 1955. You will write 1955. PhD in economics, which institute? PhD in economics also Trinity College, Cambridge. And year, which year? 1956. Let's read the last passage. Once upon a time there was an old farmer. He lived with his wife and 3 sons in a small village. The 3 sons always quarreled with each other. Their parents said, "Stop, don't quarrel, it's bad." But they didn't listen to the parents. One day, the sons were quarreling again and the old farmer heard him. Once again he said, "Stop." Then he said, "Please come here. Now, go and bring me 5 sticks and some rope." The 3 boys went and brought the sticks and rope for their father.
The old farmer then tied the sticks together with the rope. Then he said to his sons, now try and break this bundle of sticks.
So true, false. The sons disobeyed their parents. This is true. Number 2, the sons tied their sticks. This is false. The old farmer tied their sticks. Number 3, the farmer had 5 members in his family. True. Number 4, the farmer forbade his sons to quarrel. This is true. Number 5, 3 sons hardly quarreled. False. The 3 sons always quarreled. So you will write the true false in your exam like this. My dear student, this is SW 12. Submit on Saturday. Unseen Passage 4, Model Question 4, question number 3AB from Advanced Learners Communicative English book. So from Advanced Learners book, you will go to Model Question 4 and you will do question number 3A and B. Question number 3AB from Advanced Learners book. From Advanced Learners book, Model Question 4. So my dear students, do your assignment at home and submit on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the school library. Thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay safe. Stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.